If you are taking a trip to New York in the fall, you might be wondering, what do I bring with me? What do I pack? What outfit should I wear? Hello, beloved friend. My name is Libier. In this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to pack for a trip to New York City in the fall. In fact, this video is going to help you pack to any place in the world. This video is going to give you so much value. Pack intentionally, pack in ways that maybe you never thought of, give you ideas for what outfits to wear. So excited for this trip. I'm going to be spending my 40th birthday in Manhattan. If you happen to love neutrals and you happen to love like a very chic and minimal style, this video is for you. At the very end, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite packing hack of all time. Wash all your clothes. The first thing I ever do before packing anything is making sure that I have everything as an option. So I go ahead and do a big load of laundry and get all my clothes clean so that they can be ready to go. I like to pack a week in advance. I like to pack with intention. It's something that I really have enjoyed learning, the art of packing proactively instead of leaving it to the very last minute, because when you leave things to the very last minute, things don't go well. So check the weather of where you are traveling to. This is super important so that you can know what you need to wear. So take a screenshot of the weather app and you have yourself a little map to what you need to bring for those days that you are traveling weather-wise. Write out a list of all of the things that you're doing each and every day. This is helpful because you'll know, hey, this day I'm going to be walking across the Brooklyn Bridge, so I need good walking shoes. On this day it's raining and we're going to Aladdin in Times Square, so you know, hey, I'm going to need a nice dress with probably a trench coat or a good raincoat. My next tip is to gather your outfit inspiration. Go on Pinterest. You can follow mine. I have different mood boards. We're gonna figure out what we actually want to wear. You're gonna want to maybe take a screenshot of that photo and put it in a photos folder labeled New York outfits, or if you're going to Panama outfits, wherever you're going, just so that way you are very, very organized, and when you're on your trip you can access your outfit inspiration very quick and easy. Especially if there's a place where there's no Wi-Fi, you have it in your photos. After we have our outfit inspiration, I make a detailed list on my phone as to what items. I go through each photo. I need black pants, I need a black hoodie, I need a black coat, and I need a black bag to go with this outfit. So I make a list of that, and then I grab those things from my closet, and if I don't have anything, I put it onto a shopping list. This is why packing a week in advance or maybe earlier sometimes is helpful, because then you know, okay, I want to wear this outfit, but I have these items, I just don't have this one. Something that is super helpful is to actually try on those outfits. I had a trip to Miami once where I had gained weight, and I got to Miami, and when I tried to put my clothes on, nothing fit, you guys. I was so frustrated and I was so sad, and it was like, oh my gosh, I should have tried things on before I packed a suitcase full of clothes that didn't fit me. So don't pull a me. Make sure to try those things on and make sure that you love yourself in the things that you are packing and wearing. The worst thing is to get to your destination and to not feel like you are supported by what you've brought to wear. My next tip is to check the guidelines of your airline of what you can actually bring. Check on the specifics of your luggage for the flight that you are taking. So I didn't do this before. I had to learn the hard way. When we went to Paris, I had to take things out of my suitcase there, and it was really embarrassing. So my husband's always like, Libier, don't do a Paris. So this time he went and measured all of our luggage and made sure that it was to the specifics of what the airline had emailed us, and they are. And make sure that you know the weight requirement that you are limited to, so that way you can be cognizant of that as you are packing. The next travel tip is to bring the bulkiest items on yourself. Your shoes, your coat, a scarf, something that you can put over your legs to be warm. I know for me, I get so cold during flights. Another tip is that if you can get around a color mode, this is super helpful. My color palette for my closet is already sort of all neutrals pretty much, so I don't ever have to worry about, does this go with this? All right, now that we know our outfits, we've tried them on, we have the clothes that we want, now it's going to be a matter of packing most efficiently so that we can fit the most that we can into that luggage, okay? The next and best packing tip is to roll your clothes instead of folding them so you can maximize the amount of things that you can bring. Now listen, you can maximize it, but you have to be diligent about weighing your luggage before you get all excited about all that you packed in there, because the worst thing in the world is to be like, okay, I'm good. And then go weigh the thing and it's over your limit. So weigh it and see how you are doing. Hi everybody. This is Dodger. You want to help me pack? He's like, which one of those shoes do I want to chew? None. Hi Dodger. High five. Yes. He's a good boy. You want this one? Pack it. Can I pack you in my suitcase, Dodger? Will you fit in my suitcase? Can I roll you and put you in like a taco? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. Make sure to also try on your shoes before you go somewhere where you're going to be doing a lot of walking. Just test them out first. Especially if you are going to New York, you are going to be walking a lot. So make sure that you're supported by your footwear. Another tip for you is to make sure that if you're doing a carry-on, put a few days of outfits that are comfortable and, you know, maybe one that's like you can probably wear 2 days, and make sure that you have all your valuables in there. I love using packing cubes because they are such a good way to save space. These really do make a big difference. And I love to bring a bag for my laundry because I hate having nasty clothes that smell bad in the hotel or in my luggage. This is the end hack that I think you're gonna love. I do purse inception, okay? So I put purses inside of purses. You could wait for a few days before your trip to start packing your toiletries and your beauty items. I know for me, I wait a few days before the trip to actually get that all taken care of because I do need my makeup. Some of the things that are helpful to bring on a trip are snacks, bring tissues. Definitely bring these wet ones on every trip. I bring my magic keyboard and my iPad. Make sure to bring your vitamins and all of your medicine. I like to pack little things of vitamins and medicine that I might be needing, like Tylenol. I carry these to clean my eyeglasses. I always bring some feminine products, a pen. I have a little guy full of band-aids and antibiotic ointment. I bring Q-tips, not to clean my ears because I was told not to use that to clean the ears, but I use these for makeup and other things. I have a little pouch that I call my bad breath pouch. This one actually comes with me in my carry-on, but I transfer this one from bag to bag when I'm traveling, and I have a few things in here that I like to keep always. Listerine, very helpful. And this is the little things that you open it up and it has this little film guide. You don't have to be chewing gum in order to have fresh breath. It also keeps my hot sauce because sometimes you just need some hot sauce. It keeps flosses. I keep little pins and my business cards. Another product I don't like to travel without is a Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is an amazing way to hydrate the lips. I'm packing a beautiful magazine to look at while we fly. Another thing I love to bring with me is the Bible. I can't live without this. It's my daily bread that keeps me sane, and I My daughter gave me this tiny little Bible that is so fitting for travel. It just fits right in. It's so little and compact. Another thing I love to bring on flights is this Drunk Elephant hand miracle butter. It is so nice when your hands are very dry on the plane. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it inspired you to pack early, to pack with intention, and to pack with a mood and a vibe. See you next week, God willing.